my channel. My name's Aquila, and if you're new, welcome. So for today's video, I thought I would film a peachy orange makeup look. I've already did my full face off camera, did my eyebrows, my contour, everything like that. So we're just gonna go in with the eyes. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in, just a little. Okay, that should be good. And I'm taking the Orangey Glad Colourpop palette. Oop, looks just like that, really cute. And I'm going to go in with You Pill Me, which is right there. Get a little focus. There we go, that's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid.
The doors open, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate.
Alright, so now since we did that all over the lid, all we're going to do is, well, I'm going to just take my finger and I'm going to go in with Squeeze Me and Tangerine Dreams. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So this is Squeeze Me. If it'll focus. And then this is Tangerine Dreams right there. Just going to take it on my middle finger and just put that in the middle of the lid.
Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN, take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up.
Alright, and there's that eye. So now I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm going to be using these lashes that I got from Balm Lash Extensions. I'll show you guys up close once I find the tweezers. There they are. This is what they look like. Hopefully it focuses. There we go. Really long. I like my lashes really long. I don't know why, but I just do. So we're gonna get some lash glue and put them on the lashes. So while we let those dry, I'm going to actually put on, I'm gonna do my lips. So I'm gonna do a red lip, and I'm taking the NYX matte lip liner in Suede. Looks just like that. We're just gonna put that on my lips. to outline it. If I had orange lipstick, I would do orange, but I don't. So we're gonna have to go with red, and I think red gives it a little more of a pop. And we're just gonna go in with the Suede matte lipstick. Alright, so now since we're done with that, the eyelashes should be pretty dry, so now we're just going to stick them on. Alright, and now since they're on, I like to go in with the lash glue again and just put them in the corners and outer corners just so the lashes hold a little better. Because if you wear lashes, you know they like to pop up. So I'm just going to put a little on each corners. We're going to let those dry for a second. And while that's drying, I'm going to put on the bottom lash mascara. And I'm using the telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. And I'll just focus you guys a little better. Alright, so now since I think the lashes, well, the corners of the lashes are dry, I'm going to just stick them on to the lid. Just pinch them down with your fingers. Alright, so now since they're on and they should stay, I'm going to be spraying my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. Just looks like that, and I'm just going to be spraying it all over my face. Just wave your hands on your face. I don't know what you want to call it. Just do this to let that stuff sink in. You want it to look good all day. And that is it for the finished look.